We spend so much time with diagonal lines, sloping up, sloping down, but what about the outliers, the lines that are perfectly flat, like the horizon, or perfectly upright, like a flagpole? These are the simplest lines in all of mathematics, but they're also the most frequently misunderstood. Let's start with the flat line, the horizontal. Its equation is always y equals c. Think y equals 4. Why? Because on this line, every single point has the exact same height. The y-coordinate is always 4, no matter what x is doing. It could be -1,000,000 or +1,000. Y is always 4. This means there's no rise, so its slope is simply 0. Now flip it 90 degrees. The vertical line goes straight up and down. Its equation is always x equals k. Think x equals -2. On this line, every point shares the same horizontal address. The x-coordinate is locked at -2, while the y value can be anything. What about its slope? Well, since there's no run, you'd have to divide by 0. And since that's impossible in math, we say the slope is undefined. Here's a cool bit of math trivia. The axes themselves follow these rules. The x-axis, that main horizontal line, is just the equation y equals 0. And the y-axis, it's x equals 0. So what happens when these two types of lines meet? A horizontal line, like y equals 5, and a vertical line, like x equals -3, will always intersect at one single point that follows both rules, -3, 5. These lines are everywhere. The sidelines on a sports field are just vertical boundaries. A graph of a parked car's position over time is a horizontal line. So next time you see an equation with only one variable, remember you're looking at a fundamental boundary of the coordinate plane, a line defined not by its slope, but by what never changes.